we are in the marina in Nelson Bay. And then sa harapan ko, on the front on me, it's a restaurant. Behind me is a marina. So that's the restaurant here. That's the restaurant there. So it's still not open, still closed. Still closed, but later on it will be open for lunch, breakfast. And then minsan naman dito sa marina, pwede ka mag-upa dito ng ng yacht. And pwede mo i-drive pag may lisensya ka. At pwede ka matulog sa dagat basta may lisensya ka lang. Thank you for watching, guys.